can you build a full funnel campaign like from awareness and retarget for conversion? I disagree. Now, very simple. First, you have to understand the differences between objective. Now, different objective means different business goal. That's how Meta put them into different, kind of like action and objective right now. So different goal brings you different audiences. You get what I mean? So like if you go for sales, for example, Facebook really know who are the people who are likely to purchase on e-commerce website and making transaction online. So theoretically, the audience that you'll be getting when you're using sales objective are generally, higher quality and they are more likely to purchase. So having a right audience coming in is actually a very important thing. Otherwise, I have this saying when it comes to meta advertising or any digital advertising, which is rubbish in, rubbish out. I don't mean people being rubbish, But then again, if you get the wrong audience coming in, your retargeting is going to work and everything is going to, retargeting is not going to work and everything is not going to work. You get what I mean? Because from the very beginning, the audience that you brought in are totally wrong. So no matter how well you do your retargeting with all of offers, promotions, vouchers, blah, 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 it's going to fall apart. You get what I mean? That's what I really mean over here. So I'd rather you get the right audience in at the very beginning and then you retarget. So eventually you'll be getting audience who are likely to buy. Eventually you'll be getting purchase even at the top of funnel. So instead of going for awareness, which theoretically, awareness is like really kind of like a very generic, unbiased kind of targeting. Basically what Meta is going to do is just going to throw your ad out to anybody that sticks. Yes, the CPM is going to be dirt cheap and you're going to be reaching a lot of people, but you can try. Go and track the CTR and really the percentage of people who really continue the journey when they reach your website and blah, 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 down the road. The whole journey is crappy. Low CPM at the very beginning is meaningless when they don't take any action when they come into the website and everything, they just fall apart. It's exactly what I mean by rubbish in, rubbish out. Because the wrong audience coming in, no matter how well you do your website, how well you do your whatever, it's not going to change that. Because generally, these are not the people that wants to buy. They are motivated to buy from you. So I would rather you start from the very beginning and then eventually, like to me, if it's an e-commerce website, first go for conversion at the very beginning. Or if you're not confident or even the CPM is bad and all that, you have a really new business and you are not 100% sure, at least start with a traffic objective. I'll go that way. But if you can, I'll go all the way to conversion right away. So that's what I will do. And we do optimization. We try to bring the CPM down. We try to bring the CTR down and stuff like that. Optimization is ongoing. But as long as we have the right audience coming in, everything is going to be better and better over time because that's how the whole pixel is going to learn. Like just imagine a pixel learning towards the wrong direction because you brought in the wrong people and everything. And the lookalikes going to fall apart. Everything's going to be crappy, don't you think? So don't ruin your entire thing just because you believe awareness is going to get you more people at a lower cost, but wrong people is going to fall apart. That's what I think. And that's how I really have my clients set up our strategy this way. And I'll say so far the success rate has been really, really high. I wouldn't say 100% because not every business is suitable on Facebook and, like Instagram. But yeah, the framework just worked. So yeah, that's what I think. All the best. That's why I said start with the top of funnel and start with the right structure, run ads, and try to look for the numbers for optimization. So start with that, and then yeah, just in case you need help, right? You can always scan this QR code and buy me a dinner. Then we're gonna do three things together. First, I'm gonna build a dashboard that truly belongs to your business. As in, like, what are the metrics that you need to track? I'll put them in sequence. I'll build them a dashboard. I'll put it a name for you, so that you can come back to it every time, right? So that's that. Building a dashboard, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to analyze the numbers. So I'll be analyzing the campaign for you, and I'll teach you how to do it. And, that's knowledge transfer. And then after that, since we analyze, we will come up with hypothesis and we will build a plan. So I'm going to share with you, what are the few things that you can consider doing to hopefully bump your performance as in your ROAS or your cost per result and blah, blah, blah. So that's what you get, So yeah, if that's what you want, and I really believe every meta advertisers really must master this part of the knowledge. So if you run ads, you really need to do that. So scan this QR code, buy me a dinner, then we can have a 30-minute discussion to do that 3 things together within half an hour.